Hello, Sudoku friends. Yes, it's weekend, Saturday. Today is Saturday, November the 14th. Yes, 2020, Saturday the 14th. And we have here only one regular Sudoku. And also in this newspaper, there's also one regular quintuplet. I won't do this or solve this because it's I hated the quintuplet, so it's taking me too long to solve a quintuplet, more than an hour. So today only one regular Sudoku, a Sudoku Medium I will do. There's also in this newspaper an additional with extra Sudokus. I believe 7 or 8 extra Sudokus, but first I will do this Sudoku Medium, and this will be number 1883. Yes, 1883. And let me see. Yes, 1883. Correct. Don't make a mistake like the last time I made a mistake with the numbering. So it's annoying that I make a mistake. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 2 is 7, 8, 9. Plus 3 is 12. 12 plus 5 is 17. Plus 5 is 22. Plus 4 is 26. Plus 1 is equal to 27. 27 printed digits. So if you compare, this will be a 1-star Sudoku. Yes, let's get started. Yeah. Alright. Which number can I pick? How about the number? The number. Let me see. Which number? In this big square, we have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, no 1 in these 2 boxes. There 1, no 1 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 1 in the first column, 1 in the third column. So in the column between the second column, the only 3 places for the 1 should be here, or there. We see here 1, we see there 1, so no 1s in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 1 should be there. And then 8 in this column, 8 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 8 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 2. We see here 2. So no 2 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. These 2 boxes are reserved for the numbers 9 and 6. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here and 6 goes there. These 2 numbers are missing in the first column for the numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5, we see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 3 goes there. And then How about the 4 in this column? 4 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only two places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so on the row below, the only place for the 4 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so on the row below, only place for the 9 should be there. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 6. We see here 6, no 6 in those two boxes. 1 box left for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 2. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 2 goes there. 1 number left in the second column for the number 6. Yes, 6 is missing. And those 2 numbers in this big square are reserved for the numbers 2 and 3. I cannot fill this yet. 2 and 3. How about 3? Yes, 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So in the middle row, the only place for the 5 should be there. 1 box left in the middle row for the number 3. And then 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. And then how about the number, these 2 numbers, missing numbers in this big square. The 7 and the 2 are missing. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 2 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So on the last row, the only place for the 7 should be there. And then 2 in this row, 2 in the last row. So on the row between, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in the last row for the numbers 1 and 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and 1 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Yes, digit number 1. And now 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and a 9 are missing. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 should be there. And then 1 number left in this row for the number 6, I believe. Yes, 6 is missing. 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be there. And then I cannot continue with the 6. How about these two numbers in this column. These two numbers, the missing numbers here are the 4 and the 9. 4 and the 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes and there. These two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 4. Yes, we see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 2, 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So in the column between, the only two places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the second row. So the row below, the only two places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 3. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 3 and 8. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there, and 8 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So the column between, the middle column, the only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in this row, 8 in a row below, above. So in that row, the only place for the 8 should be here. 1 box left in this column for the number 3. Yes, 3 is missing. Then 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. How about these two numbers in the second row for the numbers 7 and 6? We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So in the middle column, the only place for the 7 should be here. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 3. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. And the final two numbers of this big square, the 2 and the 3. 2 and the 3. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. All right. Great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe. And hit the bell button or bell icon, guys, to be notified by YouTube. By YouTube. By YouTube. Notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. Yes. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you later with the extra Sudokus in this edition. Yes. Thank you and bye bye for now.